Hello guys, welcome back to RATProdUctions, and today I'm going to show you guys how to key out black backgrounds in a GIF file, MP4, JPG, and PNG. Depends on what file you want to key out a black background in. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, and today I'm going to be using Premiere Pro. You can use any video editor that supports keying out black backgrounds. So if your video editor that you're using does not support keying out backgrounds, then you won't be able to do this. And if you guys want to do like tutorials for video editing or just like for beginners with Premiere Pro, I will do that. Just go ahead and get this video to 10 likes. And if you guys end up enjoying this video, actually, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And speaking of notifications, go ahead and join my Discord channel. I do a lot of cool stuff over there. I'm not going to go ahead and get into it, but I will leave a link for two things: the link for my Discord channel and the link for my video that I made. And also, before I start the video, I do want to give two shouts to people, and that is Stoned Out and Viper. So thank you to them. They were the first two people to join my Discord channel, and if you don't join my Discord channel in the next month, you will not get a shout out. So basically, you won't be I'm not gonna say you won't be noticed, but you want to get a shout out. So I advise you guys to join really quick, and I actually do some pretty good stuff over there. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so if you're using Premiere Pro, you already know to just, make a new project, and then you'll be here. Or for any video editor, you just make a project and you'll be inside of the main screen where you start editing. So the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and find a file that you want to key out, or actually just a video file that you want to put the keyed out GIF or MP4 file on top of. So for me, I'm just going to be using my old Brawlhalla video. So you guys see, this was the Brawlhalla video I made like probably a week ago. And you guys see that was 18 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is actually take out the audio, because there's no point of keeping that in. Okay, so see that right there. So what I want to do is now you want to find the file that you want to key out. Now I'm going to be doing my side fire transition, which if you guys haven't been watching my videos, if you guys have been watching my videos though, you guys will you guys might remember that I started using fire transitions, go between scenes, and yeah, so I have actually been using Lowercase, which I'll be showing you guys how to use in Premiere Pro. And there might be a different name for other ones, which I'm sorry if there is. I'll have to do some research on that, and go in the comments and tell me what video editor you use, and I will show you guys, or I will give you a small little tutorial on how to do it for that video editor. So go ahead and find the file that you want, or the MP4 or GIF that you want to key out, and then go ahead and add it. Now go ahead and add it to the timeline. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, and what you want to do, so you guys see, so it looks like that, and that's the problem. So you'll have to key out that black background, and you actually have to be careful. You have to get to about the end of it where the screen is mostly black, so that you can actually use the dropper. So for Premiere Pro, if you don't have the effects window, all you gotta do is go to Window and then press Effects, and then you have it. And then now what you want to do is you want to go to Video Effects, and once you get here, you want to go to Luma. There you go. So you guys will see Luma key. Now you just drag it from here and drag it onto what you want to key out. So if I want to key out the side fire transition, just put it on that one, and it shows that. Now it looks like that it has already did it. Now you guys see the problem already. That's the problem. So all you guys need to do is go to editing. Oh wait, effects control. There you go. So editing and effects control. And I'm pretty sure there's a different way to get to that. Yeah, you just go right there, but I'm not gonna go through all that. But go to effects control, and once you do that, you want to find the threshold. I'll be back. I need to find out how to fix this. Okay, so I'm back and I was able to fix it. So now let's get back into it. So I was able to get my production window back up. And yeah, if you ever lose the production window, just go to Window, Workspaces, and Production. But now just go back in here and you want to turn down the threshold. Once you do that, it might be a little better. Depending, let's see. So you guys still see it's a little bit weird, like right in the fade, and that's mainly because you guys see that I added a fade, so it won't, like, if you're doing this, you're not going to be able to add a fade, which I'll have to move this a little bit. I think that might be why it's not working well. So now what you want to do is, like, once you do that, you want to go like this and then go like that. So now, boom. So that's pretty much it. And so you don't see like little box in the background. All you gotta do is just maximize it, zoom it out, and then boom, you guys see it. That's pretty much all you have to do. And if you guys want this specific like, you know, the fire transition, you have to get this video to 10 likes for me to give this to you guys. And other than that, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to make a series on this, go ahead and also give this video 10 likes. So if we get this video to 10 likes, I will give you guys the transition, and I will also start this series. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.